How do bills become law? Every bill is someone's idea about what the law should say. The Idaho legislature convenes in January and does business for about 3 months. During that time, hundreds of bills, some of them in direct competition with each other, move through the legislative process in a kind of stop-and-go fashion. Often, even legislators do not know until just a day or two before when an important bill will move. Although timing in the legislative process is sometimes unpredictable, every bill must follow the same basic process to become law. The legislature has 2 separate chambers, the House on one side of the rotunda and the Senate on the other. A bill can start in either House or Senate, but it must pass both bodies and survive a potential veto by the governor to become law. A bill begins its journey when a House or Senate committee chairman holds a hearing on the bill and takes public testimony. If a majority of the committee then votes to pass the bill, it goes to the full body for another vote. If a majority of the representatives or senators also vote to pass the bill, it is then sent to the other side of the rotunda, where it will again be assigned to a committee. If it survives a second committee review and a floor vote, it is then sent to the governor. The governor may sign it, take no action on it, and allow it to become law without a signature, or veto it. If the governor vetoes it, that veto can only be overridden if 2/3 of both House and Senate vote to do so. Throughout the legislative process, the public has opportunities to weigh in on the issues they care about, as long as they know where a bill is in the process and who to talk to next. Once you understand the legislative process, you are in a position to begin making a difference. But wait, we're not done yet. In Part 2, I'm going to show you a few basics about how to find and read those bills.